on the run. And this is what I ate today.
Yay!
I like doing these because it really makes me more aware of what I'm putting in my body on a daily basis. And sometimes you just eat mindlessly, so to have this to look at and examine what you're actually eating, it's a real eye-opener sometimes. Sometimes you just don't actually realize, ew, I ate junk food, or whoa, I ate enough for 12 people.
No, I don't look at it like that.
Really? How do you look at it?
I just like watching videos like this for inspiration for what to eat.
Well, that too.
But also,
I'm saying for myself.
Oh, I find that when we do these, and I mentioned this before, I definitely eat less, not because I'm like, oh my god, I'm such a pig, but because I'm like, I'm too freaking lazy to film this right now.
It's true. So what'd you have to eat today?
Well, I forgot to show this part, but I bet you can guess. I had a peanut butter filled Cliff Bar.
Alright, well, I've already had 2 cups of coffee with
Oh my god. It is 9:30, you guys.
Yeah. Well, because I do intermittent fasting, I'm not going to be eating until at least...
I know, but already 2 cups, damn. Do you guys drink coffee? I've never been a coffee person.
Well, then you just don't get it, do you?
I can't get into it.
2 cups of coffee with hazelnut unsweetened creamer, because I'm intermittent fasting, and you know what? I don't give an F about like, oh, you gotta drink the coffee black. I'm not doing it, and I still lost weight, so. And
so there.
Yeah, and I don't know if this counts or not, but I'm sucking the juice out of a piece of pure gum.
That's so sad.
So, does it count? I don't know. If you don't swallow it, if you just suck the juice out.
Well, I'm not counting this as food, but I'm not being paid for this. But these Altoids Arctic Curiously Cool Mints,
they are delicious.
Holy
and they're vegan.
Crap! It's like a strawberry flavor, which when you hear it, you would think it's disgusting.
Right.
Like, ooh, strawberry mint. But it is the best mint I've ever had, and all of my friends will attest to this. They're obsessed with it. This thing
really? You turned them on to it?
Yeah, this thing was full the other day, but whenever I break this out at like game night or D&D, my friends will just like pass it around and take multiple mints at a time. And I'm like, ah, no, it's fine. But everybody loves these. They're so good. And
they're vegan. Not all of the Altoids, by the way, are vegan, but these happen to be vegan.
Are these sugar-free too?
Yes, they are.
And there you go.
And they have like the good sugar in there too, don't they? Or do they have sucralose?
I have no idea.
I don't know. We'll check. All right. We're making a little snack here. We just got back from being out.
Yes.
At the movies, and we got a new chair in there, right there.
I'm busy.
So we built up an appetite dragging that into the house and busting into the box.
Yeah, I didn't get to go on the bike today, but I still got a little bit of workout.
Assembly was really difficult. Just kidding. Just had to pop the top on.
Yeah, so I'm having a roll here.
A steak roll.
With Sabra roasted garlic hummus.
Ooh. I would normally eat something a little bit better than this, better than these empty calories that I'm about to eat, but I have like 15 minutes to eat it, so
crunch.
It's a time crunch. I have to go get Sean. I'm having some avocado butter.
Nice.
The queen stays the queen. Avocado
what do you think
queen.
about that one? Because I haven't tried it yet.
It's okay, like on bread, but
you wouldn't bake with it, right?
I wouldn't bake with it. I tried to make the this thing, the blueberry buckle topping with that butter, and it wasn't as good as the Earth Balance. Earth Balance, I think, is the best for baking, so I'm going to stick with that in the future.
Good to know, good to know.
But I'm just having a little Kaiser roll toasted with some of that avocado butter. And that's snack time. Alright guys, it's lunchtime. I am having, despite the hot weather, a kimchi today. Kimchi noodle cup. This one, they sell at Sam's Club, and it says vegan right on it, so that's really nice when they put vegan on there. I love it. And it's hard to find a cup of noodles that is vegan, so it's nice that they have this one. And I really, really love kimchi flavor. I love it so much that I am also putting like a third of this jar of kimchi in mine. And this one they used to make not vegan because they had some fish sauce in here, but now you can see from the ingredients that it is totally vegan, which is awesome. It's even gluten-free. Cool, right? So I just mix in, because I don't like cold kimchi. I like my kimchi hot. So I just mixed it in, and that is going to be my lunch for today, some kimchi noodles.
Alright, it's after 5, it's time for lunch.
I'm having a snack.
Everything's all messed up today, time-wise.
I'm gonna kill this watermelon.
Nice. I am having some leftover moussaka from, I think it was like 2 nights ago, Sunday. Oh, it is so good. It's like a deconstructed.
Yeah.
So if you guys are new to moussaka, we've got
a regular moussaka video too.
I think so, yeah. This one, we got the pasta here, we've got the potatoes, eggplant, and this like bechamel sauce. Oh, it is to die for. It is so good. So I'm having
video before this one.
Oh, okay, yeah. I forgot we just did that.
Yeah.
But I'm having it with some beautiful spring mix, and this looks really weird the way that this dressing is on here, because it's down to like the bottom of the yeah. So it's the Just dressing. This is the Thousand Island one. It's really, really good, but I've got to say my favorite of that brand of dressing is the ranch, and we have a ranch, but I don't want to open it until we finish the Thousand Island one. So I mean, the Thousand Island one is good too, don't get me wrong, they're all good. What's that other one? We also have the Caesar, I want to say. Yeah. Caesar's good.
Caesar's good.
But the ranch is just like, it's so good. Yeah. So I'm going to enjoy that.
That other one you liked a lot too, that Hillary's Chia? Or,
yeah, that one was good too. I'm just talking about that.
Oh, this line?
That line, yeah.
They started selling that in ShopRite now, so we don't even have to go to the health food specialty store anymore.
How nice.
Puppy said, that's great.
Yeah. Puppy!
He said, what? I got off the sofa for you, now I'm stuck in the dining room.
Yeah, we gotta go back to our places here. Puppy's gonna get upset. Time for another snack. I'm having some dried mangoes. These are like my current addiction. They're so freaking good. And we had one from we had a package from a Thrive order the other day, and I ate like the whole thing. This one I gotta be careful because this package is way bigger. The other one was like 1.5 servings. This one has like 17 servings in the bag.
Oh man.
So I really need to be careful here and make sure I don't eat like half the bag.
More than a week though.
It's just so good. It's so good.
Alright, it's dinner time.
Yeah, we're having special salad tonight.
Special salad. I made this one up for Sean, but I'm having pretty much the same thing. So we've got your spring mix on the bottom. I got a homemade 3-bean salad.
Beautiful.
I have some roast potatoes. They're buried, so I'm just going to show those. We have some steamed broccoli, and I made homemade croutons.
You really did it up. And here's the ranch that I was talking about.
Yeah, Just Ranch.
Ooh.
So good. Sean, you ready to eat?
Yes.
Did Sean just walk in and go like this to me?
I don't know.
That's what it looked like out of the corner of my eye.
Here you go, sir. Here's your dinner. What do you say? All right, enjoy. I see you're building a personal special salad.
Oh yeah, I love it.
I bet that 3-bean salad will be better the second day. That should be an upcoming
to soak in.
Right. This should be an upcoming veganasfork video.
Yeah, definitely.
Summer salad series.
That's right. Oh, Fran.
I know. Mr. Sheffield loves the
Mr.
3-bean salad. Likes to nosh on that.
Yeah.
All right. I think we deserve ice cream for dessert tonight too.
I think we do.
Yeah. We'll be back for dessert. We're just, yeah.
I'm so tired. Oh, it's happening.
All right, it's the grand finale. It's dessert time.
Beautiful.
And we've got
beautiful
some
ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream made with banana, peanut butter, a little bit of almond milk, and some vanilla flavoring, which is actually real vanilla extract.
Yeah, it's so good. Wow.
Perfect end to a perfect eating day.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed what we ate today, so.
It's good stuff.
We got these left over.
Yeah, croutons. Crouton.
Big breadcrumbs. Alright guys, that's what we ate today.
So we're hoping to do
right.
another Q&A video soon. No, it's fine.
Let me give this to Daddy while you're saying that.
Yeah, we want to do another Q&A video soon, but we need some Q's to A. So leave your questions in the comments if you have anything that you want us to answer, and we will work on that.
Thanks for watching, guys. You're awesome. And like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, much love.